Hi everyone. Today we will see about different types of coordinate system. If you want to locate a point in space, we definitely need a reference frame. In physics, we will learn about many kinds of frame of reference, but for now, we will learn about three basic coordinate systems. We already know about Cartesian coordinate system, which involves three sides. Means if you locate a point P in space, this is a point P in space. So you have to refer with x-axis the distance from origin to x-axis and from origin to z-axis and from origin to y-axis. If you make those distances, you can easily mark the reference, the point, and you can easily observe the point. You easily refer with Cartesian coordinate system. Same as if you come to spherical coordinate system, it involves a side and two angles. Means if you consider a sphere, okay, just imagine the point surrounded by a sphere, okay. The distance from the origin to x-axis, you don't need that. See, these three axes are mutually perpendicular. Means any two axis makes a plane, right? See, these two are in a plane, these two are in a plane, and these two will be in a plane. So if you want to refer this point to this frame, what will you do? You just measure distance from that point to this plane, right? So just draw a line from that point to this plane, okay. Then from origin, draw a point to that point, and from that origin to this point. Now you have referred with the three axes to that point, right? See, just mark this as theta and this as phi. Both should be with respect to z axis, and this distance as z, and you don't need this z in spherical coordinate. We will refer that in cylindrical coordinate system. And these distances are, so the only difference between spherical and cylindrical coordinate system is, in cylindrical coordinate system we involve with z, and in a spherical polar coordinate systems we involve with phi. So these are these differences. So according to application, we have to find and we have to fix the coordinate system which we want to use. So if you have two angles, and if you have two angles, and you also know the distance between the origin and the point, let's say that as r, so you can use spherical polar coordinate, or else what we have accordingly you can use any types of polar coordinate systems.